Hi, this is Jeremy with CSDS, and today we'll be learning how to change out ink cartridges on our XL3800. From the home screen, we'll be looking for our supplies icon in the bottom row. Selecting that will take us to our cartridge page, and we'll hit replace down at the bottom right. Please note, whether we're changing ink or paper, we are letting the plotter know first. We are not just removing the supplies. After hitting replace, we can move to the left-hand side of the machine. This plotter uses a push-push system, so push in to release and push in to install. You will hear and feel a click when doing so. We're going to switch to the other side to get a closer look at that. Once again, push in to release and push in to install. Back at the screen, we will hit continue, and the plotter will now check the ink cartridges that you just installed. You can change one or all four at the same time. Just remember to go through the front panel when doing so. The plotter will continue checking the ink cartridges you just installed. The only thing we're waiting for is our green check mark at the end. Once we've gotten that, we can hit OK and take it back to the home screen. This has been Jeremy with CSDS. I want to thank you for joining me today, and please subscribe for more HP plotter tips.